Sometimes you don't know you're a miracle until you tap into the things that are within you to tell you that you're a miracle. And there is something that is undiscoverable in everybody in here, but nobody ever told you that you got something that nobody else has. The person that created this tried to create other things, but they didn't become a millionaire until they created what was in them. Amen. The problem is we're always trying to gift trade. Yeah. We're looking at what's in somebody else. And je me tiens dans le sang de Jésus. Je te donne, toi, esprit, de ce corps. Au nom de Jésus. Allez, je libère ce corps. Il est feu. J'appelle le feu de Saint-Esprit sur toi. Allez, libère ce corps. Au nom de Jésus. Libère ce corps. Au nom de Jésus. Libère ce corps. Allô? Libère. C'est comment? On téléphone d'abord. Non, après. Je ne veux pas téléphoner, je vais bien.